Use Ezee Tile base coat slurry to prepare the surface prior to application. Mix well. Base coat slurry is a ready-to-use product and it must not be diluted with water or any other substance. Using a roller, apply to the wall. Apply masking tape along the edges and around fittings. Allow to dry for 24 hours before applying the Gammazene Stone. Mix well before use. Do not dilute with water or any other substance. Mask off all edges. Apply the product directly from the plastic bag. Apply to the trowel evenly. Apply to the wall in a thin scraper coat. Apply pressure to help with the bond. Do not apply in a thick coating as this can cause cracking. Clean off trowel regularly by scraping off the excess Gammazene to avoid caking on the trowel. Allow 7 to 14 days curing time before sealing. Pour Gammazene Stone sealer into a suitable size container. Add Gammazene glitter and stir thoroughly. Paint on the wall using a paintbrush. Make sure the glitter is evenly distributed and consistent. If the glitter clumps in areas, separate and spread evenly before it dries. Coating will dry clear, leaving the glitter particles to shine in natural and artificial light. Continue the application until the entire wall is covered. Be careful along edges and around fittings. Wait to dry for about 1 hour before applying the final coat. Pour sealer into a paint tray. Evenly coat a paint roller with the sealer. Apply in long, smooth strokes over the entire wall. Use a paintbrush to apply along edges and around fittings. The final coating will be completely dry after 4 hours.